click on the Windows icon. Write Firewall and click on Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. Click on Change Settings. Click on Allow another app. Click on Search and find the location of the app you want to add as an exception. In this case, I created an example program and click Open. Now click Add. Now the program has been added to the firewall exception list. Click OK. You may also want to add a folder to the exceptions. Click on the Windows icon, write Windows Defender, and click on Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. In Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll all the way down, and in Exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and choose the folder you want to add an exclusion. And click Select Folder. You can also do this for files. This is also another way of adding an exception. Sometimes you may need to add the program as an exclusion in Windows Defender and also as an exception on the firewall. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.